Hey there. Let's talk about something that affects all of us. Laziness. You know that feeling when you just can't seem to get yourself moving? When the couch is calling your name and your to-do list is giving you the evil eye? Yeah, we've all been there. But here's the thing. Laziness isn't just about being comfortable. It's a sneaky thief that steals your dreams, your potential, and your happiness. It whispers sweet nothings in your ear, telling you to put things off until tomorrow. But guess what? Tomorrow never comes. Think about it. How many times have you said, I'll start my diet on Monday, or I'll apply for that job next week, and how many of those promises have you actually kept? Laziness is like a warm, cozy blanket that feels good in the moment, but slowly suffocates your ambitions. The only way to overcome laziness is to take action, no matter how small. But don't worry, my friend. We're not here to beat ourselves up. We're here to light a fire under our butts and kick laziness to the curb. And the best part, it's not as hard as you might think. Let's start with baby steps. You don't have to conquer the world in a day. Just pick one small task. Maybe it's making your bed, or doing 5 push-ups, or writing one paragraph of that novel you've been dreaming about. The key is to just start. Once you get that ball rolling, you'll be amazed at how good it feels. Accomplishment is addictive, my friends. It's like a snowball effect. One small win leads to another, and before you know it, you're unstoppable. Success is the sum of small efforts, repeated day in and day out. Now I know what you're thinking, but it's so hard to get motivated. Trust me, I get it. Motivation is like that flaky friend who shows up to the party late and leaves early. You can't rely on it. What you need is discipline. Discipline is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Start by setting a daily routine and sticking to it, no matter what. Wake up at the same time every day. Even on weekends, plan your day the night before. Break big tasks into smaller, manageable chunks. And here's a little secret. Action often comes before motivation. Sometimes, you just need to start moving, and the motivation will follow. It's like jumping into a cold pool. The hardest part is taking that first plunge. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Take the moment and make it perfect. Now, let's talk about distractions. Oh boy, are there a lot of them. Social media, Netflix, that new video game. They're all designed to keep you hooked. But here's the thing, they're also designed to make you lazy. Try this. For 1 week, limit your screen time to just 2 hours a day outside of work or study. Use that extra time to pursue your goals, learn a new skill, or connect with real people face to face. You'll be amazed at how much more productive and fulfilled you feel. The difference between who you are and who you want to be is what you do. Now, I'm not saying you should never relax. Rest and self-care are important too. But there's a big difference between intentional relaxation and lazy procrastination. Learn to recognize the difference and make your downtime count. Take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live. Now let's address the elephant in the room. Fear. Often what we label as laziness is actually fear in disguise. Fear of failure, fear of success, fear of the unknown. But here's the truth. The only way to conquer fear is to face it head on. Remember, every successful person you admire has faced failure and rejection. The difference is, they didn't let it stop them. They used it as fuel to keep going. So next time you feel that fear creeping in, recognize it for what it is. Take a deep breath and do it anyway. Everything you want is on the other side of fear. Imagine for a moment what your life could look like if you conquered your laziness. Picture yourself achieving your goals, living your dreams, and becoming the best version of yourself. Feels pretty good, doesn't it? That life is within your reach. It's not about being perfect or never having lazy moments. It's about making a conscious choice every day to push yourself a little bit further, to choose growth over comfort, action over inaction. Remember, you are capable of amazing things. Don't let laziness rob you of your potential. You've got this. The future depends on what you do today. So what are you waiting for? Turn off this video, get up, and take that first step towards crushing your goals. Your future self will thank you. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's build a community of motivated, ambitious people who support each other in the fight against laziness. Together, we can achieve greatness. Now go out there and make it happen. Your dreams are waiting for you.